Hi friends, how are you all? I hope you are all in good health and prosperity. I wish that you are always happy and joyful. Enjoy the life because life is short and make it very sweet, very interesting and very exciting. Come friends, let us learn about the uses of conjunction. Of course, in my previous videos, I have taught you how to use noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, and so on. Today I am going to teach you on conjunction. First of all, if you like my channel, I request you to like my channel, subscribe, and click the bell icon. Okay friends, come let us learn how to use conjunctions. By using conjunctions, we can speak better English. We can become a good communicator. We can become an orator, of course. So here we are. I am going to read you the sentences. God made the country and man made the town. Between these two sentences, God made the country, man made the town. Between these two sentences, I have used A and. A and is a conjunction. Next sentence, my mother is out, but my father is at home. Beauty but is used as a conjunction. Third sentence, she must weep or she will die. Okay, sometimes your parents will give you a choice. Go and play or sit and study. But most of us prefer to go and play rather than sitting and studying. Understand? So, what I am trying to say is, A and, beauty but, what are? These three are conjunctions. Because these three are connecting words. Understand? All the underlined words are called conjunctions, as I told you, because they join together two sentences. Okay? Let us say one is the main clause, the other one is dependent clause. Okay? Next, I will explain to you about clauses in forthcoming videos later. Okay? So, the clauses are independent of each other. They are independent. They are not depending on. They are independent. They are of equal rank. Understand? So, these conjunctions which I mentioned, and, but, or, and so on, they are coordinating conjunctions. But whereas we are going to see in 4th, 5th, 6th sentences, conjunctions, that, if, and how. These three conjunctions are subordinating conjunctions. Okay. So, did you know that she was a Buddhist? So, that is a conjunction, subordinating conjunction. He will pass if she works hard. Okay. Third one, that is 6th sentence. I cannot see how she can win. Okay. So, that, if, how. These three are which are underlined. So, the underlined words join clauses of unequal rank. So, there are two types of conjunctions. One is coordinating conjunctions and the other one is subordinating conjunctions. So, the coordinating conjunctions are of equal rank, but whereas subordinating conjunctions are join clauses of unequal rank. That is the difference between coordinating conjunctions and subordinating conjunctions. Okay? One is the main clause. Main clause is also known as independent clause. They don't depend on the other. So main clause or independent clause. The other is a depending clause. So they are subordinating conjunctions. So in first three sentences, there are conjunctions are used, they are coordinating conjunctions. Other three sentences, 4, 5, 6 sentences, I have used subordinating conjunctions. Okay? Some more coordinating conjunctions which we use in our day-to-day life, I tell you, that are not only but also. He is not only rich but also generous. He is poor. He is not only poor but also very generous. Okay. Poor people are generous, though they don't have anything, they try to help others. There are rich people also, they are very rich, they are not only rich but also very generous. Okay, whereas neither Ramu nor Rajesh went to the market. That means both did not go to the market. Okay, next one, either take it or leave it. If you want, you take it or leave it, let it be. So either or, neither nor, either or. Next one, still. He is very rich, still not contented. He is very rich, still not contented. He has got everything. He has got whatever he needs. Okay, he has everything. All the basic needs are fulfilled. Still he has got a lot of money to buy things, whatever things he wants to buy. But yet, he is still not contented. Contented means not satisfied. You understand? So, dear friends, I suppose try to make sentences